Hi, everybody. The construction industry is rapidly transforming thanks to robotics and innovative technologies. This transformation is making construction processes more efficient, safe, and sustainable. In this video, we will examine the modern technologies and techniques used in construction. You will see that some techniques are truly incredible. The sun tunnel is a system that makes your living spaces brighter and more spacious. It brings natural light to even the darkest corners of the house. It is especially effective in areas such as under the roof, bathroom, and corridor. Nautilus Evo is an innovative solution used in the construction sector, especially in flooring systems. It is a formwork system used to lighten reinforced concrete slabs and increase structural performance. This system consists of modular formworks made of recycled polypropylene materials. Therefore, it is lightweight and at the same time has a high load-bearing capacity. These plastering machines make it much easier to apply plaster to wall and ceiling surfaces. They also provide smoother surfaces. It works much faster than construction workers, significantly shortening the plaster application time. These machines first perform the plaster spraying process. Then, they can perform the smoothing process. Everblock is a modular building system made up of giant plastic blocks that allow you to build anything. These blocks can be used to build almost any object or structure. Here's how they're used to build military training facilities. The blocks easily snap together to create sturdy structures. You can disassemble your structure and rebuild it whenever you want. Rubber gravel mix is a surfacing material that combines recycled rubber with natural aggregate and a resin binder. This blend results in a seamless, porous, and low-maintenance surface ideal for various outdoor applications. The combination of rubber and natural aggregate creates a visually appealing, natural appearance. Provides excellent slip resistance for safety. Telebeam is a structural system designed to convert loft spaces into habitable rooms. It replaces traditional wooden beams. It is a metal beam system that provides a solid foundation for the floor and creates additional living space. Telebeams are carefully positioned and secured to the existing wall plates. Insulation is installed between the telebeams to improve energy efficiency. Floorboards or plywood are laid over the telebeams to create the new floor. This system is a high-performance insulation system generally used for insulated reinforced concrete slabs. It is designed to increase the energy efficiency of buildings and minimize heat losses. These materials are preferred due to their excellent thermal insulation properties and high compressive strength. Thanks to its modular structure, it can be applied quickly and easily. This saves time and cost during the construction process. The insulation material also provides good sound insulation. In this way, the transmission of sounds from the upper floors to the lower floor is prevented. It offers a quieter and more peaceful living space. This system combines the aesthetics of clinker bricks with the advantages of thermal insulation. The system's core component is a clinker board, which is a panel made from natural clay bricks. These boards provide the characteristic appearance of traditional brickwork. The clinker board requires minimal upkeep, saving time and money. This robot, called SAM, is a revolutionary system that brings automation to the construction industry. SAM moves according to the project design on a 3D model. The robot arm places the bricks precisely and applies the mortar. In this way, it creates smoother and more error-free walls by minimizing the risk of human error. It works much faster than human workers and shortens construction processes. It prevents work accidents by transferring dangerous and tiring jobs to robots. Bricky is an innovative tool that makes bricklaying faster, easier, and more precise. This allows both amateurs and professional builders to build straighter walls with less effort. It creates smooth and aesthetic walls thanks to perfect alignment and equal gaps. It reduces costs by reducing material waste. FlexBrick is a facade system created with ceramic tiles placed on a flexible steel wire mesh. It offers a very attractive option, especially for those looking for original and creative solutions in architecture. This system combines flexibility and durability to create a unique building material. This machine makes plastering operations in the construction industry smoother and more efficient. Thus, a smoother and more homogeneous plaster surface is obtained by minimizing the risk of human error. This machine is designed to facilitate workmanship, especially in large-scale projects. Glass brick walls are a preferred building material for interior and exterior spaces with both aesthetic and functional features. They provide a spacious and modern look to spaces with their ability to transmit natural light. They also provide privacy. They have a hard and durable structure, so they are long-lasting. They are easy to clean and do not stain. They have a modern and stylish appearance. Although glass bricks are not sufficient on their own, they contribute to thermal insulation when used with other insulation materials.